Hey guys, Mike Hilson here from the Chatbot Agency. How are you? Guys, I just wanted to take you through a quick presentation demo of a Christmas message that we push out on behalf of our clients. This avoids the need to do a truckload of Christmas cards. It also re-engages with your database, and it's also a mechanism to pull those people into your messenger list, because 2020 is going to be the big year of messenger. You thought it was big now, wait till next year when everybody's going to have some type of automation in their messenger if they want to be available 24/7. So let's kick this off. Right, so this is just a pre-recorded off my mobile. Obviously that's the way to send an MMS. So it's come through. We can have, obviously we've got hyperlinks in here straight into Messenger. We've got an animation of 3 images above the message, obviously the phone number so they can call you back, and we're going into Messenger. So right now you've now got that person into your Messenger list, which also means it's going to be great for establishing a custom audience, because that is considered engagement, and they'll basically build upon that. So in this case we've got the greeting here with also with a video which we'll get to play, so we'll wait. Here we go. Hey guys, Mike here from the Chatbot Agency. How you doing? Yep, thanks for coming through on my Christmas greeting MMS. There's still a place for it, and very good. Next bit, we'll book an appointment. So this is going to bring up an online calendar. In this case it's Calendly. The website, this is coming up in a web view, not actually going to the website. And please share. This is just another way where you can have those that have been engaged with you to actually share the love by putting together a post that's easily basically clickable by their friends once they see that post on your mate's page. Great way to get your message out, guys. Okay, and then yeah, Mike wasn't too sharp at this point. Once I've hit done, then that's going to work for us, guys. Okay, just hit the post now. You can add that to your story, whatever. And down the bottom, of course, we've got a little menu there where they can go and play with demos and all that kind of lovely stuff. So as you can see, guys, it's a pretty easy, frictionless process. In this case, it is Christmas. It does take time to put these together. We do need to book them. So feel free to give us a buzz and we can put together a custom campaign for you. Look, at the end of the day, it's all about cleaning that list and getting ready for 2020, guys. It's not too far away, and it's a hell of a lot more cost effective than putting together a whole stack load of Christmas cards and putting a stamp on it. So without further ado, take care, have a really great day, and get hold of us, and we can put together a really neat campaign for you, and even discuss a little bit more with you on why you should be doing this. Alright guys, take care. This is Mike from the Chatbot Agency signing out. Cheers now.